This morning we're here at Silver Sands. Yesterday I made a kind of boo-boo. I actually pressed, what do you call it, I actually pressed the time lapse on the video recorder, and you'll see what I mean. It looks a bit crazy. We never actually recorded anything, but we're here at Silver Sands this morning. We're going to do a wee bit more detecting, as yesterday we never really got much. I'm just walking up the hill to the point here to get a view from Silver Sands across to Edinburgh. It's a really nice view. There's a lot of history here in Silver Sands. It's got one of the few remaining stone built castles in Scotland, just like Edinburgh Castle, which is over there. There's Edinburgh Castle, over on the other side of the bay. An Aberdare Castle has been used for, get my breath back. An Aberdare Castle has been used on the Outlander series. And down here, this is where they did the training and research into the hydrophone during the First World War, or just before, as the Germans were leading the way with submarines, and there was a lot of destruction caused by the Germans in the First World War with merchant ships, etc. But this is where the station was. So it's an interesting place. Beautiful views, absolutely stunning, all the way over to Edinburgh. That's Arthur's Seat over there as well. It's an absolutely beautiful day. And over there you can see the Forth Road Bridge, Forth Rail Bridge, and they're building a new Forth Road Bridge. But what a stunning day it is. You can see all the way over to Edinburgh. Absolute stunning view. As I say, we kind of messed up with the intro yesterday, and as you can see we kind of messed up with the tide this morning, but still we've got the beach and the sand, so we'll go along here and we'll do a wee bit. Yesterday we never found very much, that's why I'm back today, so we'll see how we get on. Join me in the first hole. You can also get the train here, get the train for Edinburgh straight to Aberdare station, and it's not that far to walk to the beach. So join me in the first hole. See about our first signal of the day. It's in the hole down here. I'll show you as much of the scenery as I can, because it's really stunning. There's a oil rig over there. So let's see what the first thing is. Just digging an old bit of an old tin can here, and I looked over and I saw that nice bit of wood. Is it a whale's tooth? It's a nice fashioned piece of wood though, covered in creepy crawlies, which you can eat actually. Make a good omelette. I think I'll keep that. Could be a bit off a boat or something. Yeah, I'll keep that. That's interesting. A nice wee bit of flotsam and jetsam. Okay, I'm going to do my first live dig. It's a good signal. I'll let you hear it and possibly see it. Doesn't look too great on the meter, but we'll give it a go. It sounded better than that earlier. Oh, we need to be all these rocks. Mr. Shaky Cam is back. Weird sound that's making. Get rid of this rock. See what we've got. It might still be in the hole. Oh, we look. We have found it. It was on the side. It's the ring pole. Just a ring pole. I found an arm. Some superhero's arm. I find these quite a lot on Silver Sands. Horse's teeth. I think it's a horse. Big giant molars. What a size. Always finding these. Always. It really is a beautiful day. I've just dug a lovely little thing in here. Probably see it just there. And I think it might be a 2p. It's definitely a coin. Yeah, probably a 2p. First coin of the day. Rewash. Excellent. 2p. That'll do. Put it in a bag. Let's carry on. I love my wee bits of pottery, as you know. There's a cracking wee bit there. A wee, what would you call that? I was just going to say that I hadn't had a signal for ages. Is my detector working properly? And then I found this big giant piece of a brass window latch. So at least I know it's working. It is working. Well, that's my first signal in an age. Old threepenny bit. I haven't been finding much at all. It's just been really poor. I'm wondering if something's affecting my detector, but that's a good find. An old threepenny bit. What date is it? I don't know what date that is. I think it's a Queen Elizabeth. It'll be a 1950s one. 57, 58, something like that. I was just going to say that I hadn't had a signal for ages. Is my detector working properly? And then I found this big giant piece of a brass window latch. So at least I know it's working. It is working. Well, it's not been a great day. Not many finds, a lot of bottle caps, etc. It was just a little hunt. I was going to say it looks like rain, but it is rain. It started. So I'm going to head off. I might do a wee round up, just a wee quick hunt. There's the tea room down at Silver Sands. I'll go there and get a cup of coffee. It's not been a great hunt. Don't know what the problem is today. There's just nothing in the ground that happens. So I'll catch you in the next one. So a lot of junk today. Coke cans, bits and bobs, that latch from a window, the fork, the horse's teeth. Horrible looking things. No wonder horses can give you a bad bite. Got a loom band. That'll do for holding up my socks and my wellies next time. I only had a hairband this time. A lot of junk. A lot of ring pulls. Lots of wee bits of aluminium. These are actually 2p coins. As you can see that. Totally toast. Waver thin on the edge. The sea here just wrecks them totally. That one, just managed to save it. Haven't even paid for my parking today. And that's a George threepenny bit. I thought it was an Elizabeth, but it's a George. I can't even make the date out on it actually. You will. And the arm. And a wee bit of pottery. As I say, not a brilliant day, but you know, that's the way it goes sometimes when you're metal detecting. You can't always be finding the good stuff. So, thanks for watching. I hope it's of interest. As I say, maybe you'll comment on the threepenny bit. But not a lot today. Nice scenery, at least. And a lovely sunny day. I'm going to go and get a cup of coffee in the cafe. So, I'll see you again. Thanks very much for watching. Remember, and subscribe here. This is the subscribe button. Alright, bye. Remember and subscribe over here on this coin. This little coin is where you subscribe.